Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this show tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix LinkedIn verification code not received. So let's get started the video without wasting any time. Solution 1. Make sure Do Not Disturb is not turned on. For that, swipe down from the top right corner of the menu. Then tap on focus icon in the middle of the screen. Here, make sure Do Not Disturb is not turned on. Solution 2. Turn on notifications for LinkedIn app. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on notifications. Here, scroll down and find LinkedIn app and tap on it. Here, turn on the toggle for allow notifications. Solution 3. Reset network settings. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, tap on general. Then scroll all the way down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Here, tap on reset. Then tap on reset network settings in the pop-up menu. Then tap on reset network settings to confirm your action that you want to reset your network settings. Solution 4. Resend the code. For that, open the LinkedIn app on your iPhone. If you don't have received a code, then tap on resend code. This will give you a new code. Then enter that code here and confirm. That's all for today's video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.